Hey everybody, it's Anastasia from Am Hook Design, and today I would like to talk about Wander. This is Furls Crochet, yes, the same furls that produces the amazing hooks. First, fully acrylic yarn. As you can tell, it has this amazing sheen that you can see even on camera. It's even better in person. And it's so soft. I can't even, it's beyond soft. So I just wanted to quickly talk about Wander. I'm going to be doing a more extensive review on my blog and everything once I get my project started with this. But as you can see, I've got basically the retro pack, except this color is different. I know that this is cobblestone, and I know it comes with thatch, which is more of like a dark green, but I'm digging this gunmetal gray. And I got an extra one of these because, and this is called Ambrosia, and you can see that. And here you can see it's a weight 4, it's machine washable, and it's 120 yards in a skein. And I just want to say thank you to the wonderful people at Furls for sending this to me, and I can't wait to show everyone what I'm going to make with it. Alright, keep on wandering, people.